Ever wonder why the world's most productive developers swear by Linux? It essays not just another operating system, it essays secret productivity weapon quietly powering the modern tech world. Every time you push code to a server, build a container, or deploy an app to the cloud, there's a good chance Linux is running behind the scenes. But what makes it so special? Why do developers keep coming back to it even when flashier systems exist? Let us dive deep into the real reasons why Linux has become the ultimate developer asset. For many developers, the journey starts with frustration. You spend hours setting up your environment only to hit permission errors, dependency conflicts, or endless background processes slowing everything down. You realize your OS isn't helping you. It's getting in your way. That's the moment many developers discover Linux. It strips away unnecessary bloat and gives you pure control. It doesn't assume what you want. It lets you decide, and that's where productivity truly begins. Unlike commercial operating systems designed for mass appeal, Linux is designed for people who build. You can customize every aspect from how your desktop looks to how your kernel behaves. You can run a minimal command line setup that boots in seconds or craft a full-fledged development workstation with every tool imaginable. There are no restrictions, no forced updates, and no hidden processes eating resources in the background. Every bit of power is yours to command. And speaking of command, the real magic of Linux lies in the terminal. Developers who master the command line often describe it as a superpower. With a few keystrokes, you can find, edit, and move data faster than any graphical interface could ever allow. Imagine searching through thousands of log lines instantly with transforming files with Setaroc, chaining commands with pipes, and automating entire work. What once took minutes now takes seconds. It's efficiency at a level that feels almost unfair. Then comes the freedom of choice. On Linux, you decide everything. Want a clean, modern interface? Go with NoM. Prefer total keyboard control. Try a tiling window manager like i3 or Need maximum performance for your IDE or Docker containers. Tune the system exactly how you want. You're not boxed into one layout, one app store, or one workflow. You can shape your entire environment to match your mind. And that's something no closed system can offer. Beyond customization, there's the massive open source community. When you use Linux, you're not just installing software, you're joining a movement. Thousands of developers around the world contribute to projects, fix bugs, and share tools every single day. Need a new library? Someone's already built it. Hit a strange error. Someone's already solved it. This spirit of collaboration means you're never stuck. Instead of waiting for a company to release a fix, you can be part of the solution. It's not just empowering, it's inspiring. But Linux isn't only about personal efficiency. It's about real-world power. Every major tech infrastructure, from Google servers from Android devices to Tesla's onboard systems, runs on Linux. If you're deploying apps, managing servers, or learning DevOps, Linux isn't optional anymore. It's essential. The same commands you use locally are the ones powering the cloud. That consistency gives developers an incredible advantage. What you build on your laptop behaves exactly the same in production. No surprises, no wasted hours debugging platform issues. And here's the part many overlook: learning Linux future-proofs your career. The demand for Linux skills keeps growing as more companies shift toward open source, cloud-based solutions. Understanding how systems work at a deeper level makes you stand out. It's not just about writing code, it's about mastering the environment where your code lives. Developers who understand Linux can troubleshoot faster, deploy smarter, and adapt quicker to new technologies. It's a skill that pays off for life. But maybe the most profound reason developers love Linux isn't technical at all. It's psychological. Linux gives you ownership. You stop being a passive user and start being a creator. You learn to think in systems, to automate repetitive work, to dig beneath the surface. You begin to understand how everything connects, from memory management to networking to security, and that deeper understanding translates directly into confidence. You're no longer afraid to break things because you know how to fix them. At the end of the day, Linux isn't just an operating system, it's a philosophy. It's about freedom, control, and mastery. It's about removing barriers between you and your work. It's about speed, flexibility, and the joy of building without limits. For developers who care about efficiency, customization, and growth, Linux isn't a niche choice, it's the logical one. So if you've been feeling held back by your environment, if you're tired of waiting on progress bars, and fighting your tools instead of using them, maybe it's time to see what Linux can really do. Try it. Experiment. Break things. Learn. Because the world's best developers didn't choose Linux by accident. They chose it because it gives them the power to create without compromise. And once you experience that freedom, you'll understand why Linux truly is the secret productivity weapon that's been powering innovation all along.